We have here a 1944 Turbine Goose that's been converted to turbines in 1970. So in 1970 it became a 1970 McKinnon Turbine Goose. The original Gooses were designed by Grumman for the wealthy businessmen on the East Coast that could then fly up to their cabins in Maine or in Canada for hunting and fishing trips. The turbine conversions were all done between 1968 and 1970 by McKinnon, and they did 12 Gooses to turbines. And today there are four of them left. The neatest thing in my mind that they did is they increased the gross weight of a goose from 8,000 pounds to 12,500 pounds. So it's a good load hauler, even with full fuel. I knew what I was buying. I knew it leaked fuel. So over the next 10 years, I would fly it and work on it and fix all the little things I could find. Well, 3 different winters, I would get in that fuel tank. It's a wet wing, so there's no bladder, there's no tank, it's just the structure of the wing. I'd get in there through these 6-inch round inspection holes, clean it out, dry it out, and apply PRC to the places I thought needed it. And I could not totally fix it. So we decided we either fly it and let it seep a little bit, or we take the wing off and get the center section rebuilt. So that's what we did. We figured once we had the wing off, we might as well do everything else, since the airplane was all apart at that point. I repaired all the pieces that I could. Some I had done prior, but some still needed a little touch-up work. And then we had it painted, and we had it painted in pieces. And over the period of about 2 years, we got all the pieces painted, brought them back to the hangar, and then we put it back together. The satisfaction of getting it done and having it perform, having it go to Florida and back with no problems. Last week we were up near the Arctic Circle and back with no problems. There's nothing more satisfying for me than that. I did not do this for an award at Oshkosh. We did it for other reasons. But we were lucky enough last year to win the Grand Champion Seaplane Award. And it's an honor. I really feel privileged for that. We knew it was clean, but there are so many other clean airplanes around here that we didn't know. It was just great. It's satisfying, but you know, it's not as satisfying as these long trips. This Arctic trip in Canada 2 weeks ago was 22 hours on this thing and did not miss a beat. That's the most satisfying.